In this video I will show you that many of these popular hatchbacks are actually the same. Hatchbacks are very popular cars, especially in the UK. Many cars look actually similar to each other. One of them is the Volkswagen Golf. You can buy it from anything between 15 to 32,000 pounds. It's a German car and many other cars are similar to it. I will show you. Audi A3 also is a copy of the Volkswagen Golf. It's just a little bit pumped up in the price and some soft material. BMW 1 Series is one of those cars. It's exactly a Golf. Mercedes-Benz A Class is also similar to Volkswagen Golf and BMW 1 Series. Why they do that? Because it saves a lot of money for them. All are German. You can buy it from anything between 28 to 35,000 pounds. Or saves your money and buy a Nissan Pulsar. It's exactly the same car. It has a lot of technology and is much cheaper and better. It's cheaper also to repair and service and to insure. But if you want something similar to exactly A Class, buy Infiniti. Infiniti X30 is exactly a Mercedes-Benz A Class. Even the engine is the same. Infiniti X30 costs you around £17,000, 17. It's up to you which car to buy, but they're all the same.